Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Supademo product update. We shipped a lot of major new features this month, so we have plenty to get through. In this update, we'll cover 6 major new features: tracking analytics by specific viewers or by accounts and companies, offline demos for presenting without reliable internet, Route Hub for personalized demo journeys, Supademo MCP for AI-powered workflows, and new webhooks to connect Supademo with the rest of your go-to-market stack, and finally, AI Demo Agents, which is now available for select customers. Let's dive right in. First up, you can now track analytics by both specific viewers and company accounts on Supademo. Previously, analytics were centered around individual demos. You could see who viewed a specific demo, how far they got, what they clicked on, and where they dropped off. Now you can zoom out and understand the full journey across your entire content. At the viewer level, you can see every demo an individual person has historically engaged with across your Supademo content. At the account level, you can see engagement across an entire company, including all the unique viewers associated with that account. This is especially valuable for multi-stakeholder deals. For example, let's say your champion interacts with 5 Supademos, while a technical evaluator views a sandbox, while someone from leadership opens an ROI-focused demo. Instead of treating those as 3 separate interactions, Supademo helps you bundle all of that engagement together at the account level. That makes it easier to understand account momentum, identify who's involved, and multi-thread the opportunity with more relevant follow-ups. So the benefit is simple: better context, better back channeling, and a clearer view of how interest is spreading across an account or viewer level. Next up are offline demos. You can now download Supademos offline and use them in situations where internet access is limited or completely unavailable. This works across videos, HTML demos, sandboxes, and more. The big use case here is field readiness. If your team is presenting at a conference, hosting a booth, running an on-site sales meeting, or leading a workshop, you no longer have to depend on venue Wi-Fi or a guest network. For example, a sales rep can walk into an enterprise conference with a polished demo downloaded offline in advance and still deliver the full experience even if the internet cuts off. The benefit here is confidence. Your team can show up prepared, deliver a smooth demo experience, and keep the conversation moving without worrying about the connection. Next up, we're excited to introduce Supademo MCP. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, helps you connect Supademo to the AI tools you use like ChatGPT, Claude, and other MCP-compatible environments, so you can create, customize, personalize, and manage demo content using natural language prompting. In practical terms, this helps teams move faster and personalize demos at scale programmatically. Sales reps can personalize demos for specific prospects and create tracking links for them, or product marketers can update demo messaging without starting from scratch and use their own LLM context and guardrails to create text and voiceovers. The big benefit here is speed as well as scale. MCP brings Supademo into the AI workflows your team is already using, making it easier to turn existing content into relevant, personalized demo experiences. We have a separate in-depth video diving right into Supademo MCP on our channel, so definitely check that out if you want the full walkthrough. Next up is Route Hub. Route Hub tells you to turn one shared link into a personalized demo journey based on the user's behavior and context. Instead of sending every viewer to the same generic demo, you can let them choose what matters most to them. Based on their selection, Route Hub sends them to the most relevant content, whether it's a collection of demos, videos, PDFs, or another resource. This is especially helpful for marketing teams building campaign hubs, sales teams sharing follow-up content, or customer success teams creating onboarding paths for different types of buyers and users. This helps every viewer find the right content faster without making your team manually create and manage dozens of separate links. Next up, we've added webhook support for key events like lead captured, demo viewed, demo completed, and showcase viewed. This makes it easier to connect demo engagement data with the systems that your team already uses. For example, when a lead now completes a demo, you can automatically track and trigger a Slack notification for the account owner, or you can create a follow-up task in your CRM, or you can use that to update lead scoring in your marketing automation stack. This means demo engagement data no longer has to sit in a silo. It can trigger the right step automatically, whether it's a sales follow-up, a marketing workflow, or a customer success motion. Last but not least, we're excited to release something big. AI demo agents are now available for select customers. The problem today is that most buyers get forced into the same dead-end flow. They land on your site, have questions they need answered, they want to try your product, and then they have to hit a book a demo form. Then they wait, sometimes for hours, sometimes for days. And by the time somebody actually follows up, they've moved on, forgotten the context, or started evaluating some other tool. On the other side, your sales and solutions teams are limited by bandwidth as well as time. They can only run so many discovery calls, answer so many repeat questions, and deliver so many early stage demos. AI demo agents help shift and change that. Just like your best AE, your agent can be trained to run structured discovery, qualification, understand exactly what buyers want, answer questions, and guide them to the most relevant demo, video, resource, or next step automatically. These agents then measure buyer intent based on the conversation and engagement, then summarize everything for your team with a clear transcript, key takeaways, and recommended next steps, and the rationale behind each of the next step. Think of it as a smarter way to deliver personalized product experiences 24/7 in any language without forcing each buyer to wait for a human interaction every single time. The benefit is faster education, better qualification, and fewer repetitive early stage conversations, while giving your team the context they need to follow up with confidence, so you can focus on building relationships and running live demos with warmer leads. AI demo agents are now available for select customers, and if you want to see what this could look like for your team, you can request a demo down below. So, that's what's new in Supademo in the month of April. We've been moving quickly, shipping quickly, and we remain focused on helping your team deliver more flexible demo experiences, helping you personalize every journey, and turning engagement into action. You can try interactive demos of all of these features in our product update blog or within our searchable knowledge base. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.